What's up, guys? I'm so excited about this new upcoming episode starring, of course, Dorrie Stutz from Premier Properties. And here we have Tony from Premier Construction in the house with us. So speaking of house, Dorrie, what's going to be happening today?
Well, we're actually taking a walk through. This is an investment property that we're doing a flip on, and I'm working with Tony with Premier Construction. We're working on our budget and our return on investment. We're coming up with some design ideas to make a beautiful house for our next client.
And the next owner is going to be the next lucky owner here in this great neighborhood. We are so close to the beach, and you really can't be oceanside. So guys, if you want a second home, if you want a beach home, this is the property for you. What are you guys going to be doing to the home here?
In the kitchen, that's really a huge focal point. We'll do new cabinets, new countertops. We'll do new flooring kind of throughout. The living room, we're going to be just kind of pressure washing and whitewashing exposed brick in the living room.
Very nice.
And then we're going to replace the mantle. And in the party room, we have the nice shower, you'll see. We're going to be remodeling that to make it a much bigger walk-in master bath than it really needs to be.
Very nice. Talk a little bit about Premier Construction as a whole.
Well, I really like doing these rehabs because it really just elevates the communities as well. It makes you feel good, and it's also nice to see the before and after photos, and it feels like, man, I really worked hard on doing something nice. So you're going to have a lucky new owner here shortly.
Very nice. So San Diego, get ready for this new opportunity. Make sure you give Dorrie Stutz here a call if you're looking to buy or sell real estate anywhere in San Diego. Tony, I want to thank you for having us out here as well. And this is all coming soon to the show, The Neighborhood SD, 12 p.m. on the CW.